Hi everyone, this is Money and welcome to my VidiCom review. In this VidiCom review, I'm going to show you the software that allows you to create product videos and make the scrollers into buyers. This is the VidiCom sales page. Now they are mentioning Breakthrough AI creates studio quality product promotion videos in seconds. You can paste your product URL and get your video. So this is the concept. You can drive massive traffic from SEO and improve conversions by up to 80%. So this is the VidiCom webinar. You can come the sales page and watch this VidiCom webinar. Webinar means if this product launch on 26th June, when the product is going to live, the product vendor Cyril Gupta walk through the VidiCom how it works, the features, benefits, and creating the live product videos that will boost conversion and sales. High converting product videos that boost sales and traffic on every platform like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, Funnels, others. Take a look at sample videos created by VidiCom. So this is the sample video I just watched it before. Now click this.
Removable, moisture-wicking liner and cheek pads fight sweat and odors, while the secure double D-ring closure locks confidence in. Meet the tactical off-road helmet, built for riders who push harder, climb higher, and demand pro-grade protection without the price.
Water-resistant materials for messes.
You guys, seriously, this is my favorite bag. Look at it, it's perfect for everything.
Travel-ready luggage faster and keep calm on the go.
It's really very good product listing videos, right? So this is the sample video 3.
Neat ember mug, perfect
Okay,
temperature.
okay. This is
And
video cam sample video 4. Um,
patented turbojet technology 5 times.
all of these videos are amazing, honestly. Now let's look at this Instagram reel ratio
Two
video.
essentials that replace a cabinet full. Cookware Duo, 7 pieces, non-stick for every day. Now $179, regularly $284. Shop now. Fast even heat or sauces, effortless release, faster cleanup. Cook more, soak less. From stovetop to oven. The perfect pot is your 8-in-1 workhorse. Boil, braise, bake, strain, and serve for family.
These videos are created in minutes with VidiCom. With VidiCom, you can boost your sales page conversions because the videos that turn casual browsers into real buyers. And you can dominate Google like YouTube, Google, and AI search queries with this VidiCom created and optimized videos. And you can dominate the social media feed. You can go viral on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to flood your store with the free organic buyer traffic. You can launch a high ticket video agency and claim recurring profits from high paying customers. This is very important for if you want to grow your business. So Vidicom just did that as well. E-commerce brands spend thousands of video products with them. You can pocket this fees as pure recurring profit as the global video marketing industry is worth over 300 billion. 90% of businesses utilize videos as prime marketing tool, growing by 18% every year. The opportunity is only becoming more massive. This is shows how you can grab your share. Just create, you can make promotional social media videos for e-commerce brands, then grow, dominate, conduct your video marketing like the big boys without big boy cost and effort. And four, simply profit. More sales, more affiliate commissions, more contracts. This is AI generated product videos are taking over those who move first will hard. These four people are successful internet marketers by creating AI videos. See their opinions High volume video content is the only way to get cheap distribution and flood your store with organic buyer attached. VidiCom works for any niche, any product like pet, beauty, more smart devices, office products, car products, decor, kitchen, baby products, phone accessories. If you continuously publishing videos regularly, and Instagram, YouTube will try to reach your video full potential, like kicking the flood of organic traffic. Marketers, you can dominate your niche with videos on every platform. Agencies and solopreneurs, you can build highly profitable service creating product videos. You can unlock free organic traffic and double your listing conversions in three simple steps. Step one, just paste your product URL, and step two, AI analyze and automate the production. Step three, just publish and scale your profits. This is finally an affordable video production engine engineered for e-commerce sale. Can create high converting product videos on autopilot. This is the one reason if you want to become AI for your business. You can effortlessly generate scroll stopping AI videos that engineered to grab attention and capture unlimited sales. VidiCom is the ultimate AI driven video department purpose built for modern e-commerce stores. This is linked to Video Engine. Just paste your listing URL into VidiCom and it pulls out all the content. I will show you the demo video now. And before going to the demo video, if you decided to purchase VidiCom through my link, you will also get some extra bonuses from my end. And all these bonuses will be delivered inside the JVju purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. Okay, guys, this is my VidiCom review. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Now watch the demo video. This is the funnel. The front end VidiCom Elite features like 20,000 credits. You can create up to 10 campaigns. You can create up to 5 videos per campaign. You get limited AIs, no UGC content in videos, solo user access only. This is one-time payment. 1 year free upgrade comes. The OTO1 VidiCom Pro features 50,000 AI welcome credits, unlimited campaigns, advanced AI video editing, multi-AI access, unlimited UGC clips, team access, commercial license. Perfect for e-commerce sellers, agencies, and marketers, business owners. One-time payment, limited offer only. 2 years free upgrade. Okay, what your true VidiCom reseller features? You get resell VidiCom. You can resell VidiCom Pro account and keep 100% of the profits. 70 licenses per reseller purchase. What your three VidiCom with Co Pro features? So yeah, what your three VidiCom with Co Pro features? You can with Vidco you can create high converting videos, shorts, B-rolls, intros, promos, marketing, and then with AI. You can see this is the Vidco features. Now what you have for VidiCom Livecaster 24/7. So this is the Livecaster 24/7 features. You can also check these video pictures. If you want to purchase, I give the link in the description below. This is my bonus page. This link is available in the description below. Check out the my bonus page. Check my bonuses. If you purchase, you can simply click here for front end deal, and this is for bundle deal of VidiCom. You can check both. Now watch the demo video. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.
Hello and welcome to VidiCom, the video maker for e-com marketers and product owners. Well, every product listing deserves a video because when you put a video on a listing page on your landing page, the conversions get a big boost. But preparing these videos is hard and it takes time and a lot of money. Now with VidiCom, you can solve this problem and create fantastic videos in a matter of minutes. So let's take a look and see how VidiCom works. So get started, we will just go right into the action and click on create video. Now you can provide all the information manually like product information. Yes, that's basically what VidiCom needs, just some product info. Or you can bring in your product information from your sales page. So I've got this little random Shopify website that I have picked. Yes, VidiCom can take any page from the internet, including your popular platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, WooCommerce, wherever you can think of. Just copy the URL and paste it. And then click on Fetch Details. So VidiCom is going to pull the details in just a few seconds and then set up your entire video plan. Here we go. You see VidiCom pulled in all the data like product specifications, product features, product benefits, product description. Also picked up some images from the sales page so that it can use the images in the video. If you want, you can modify things. Let's say you want to change anything, you can. For example, if you want to just remove this feature, maybe it's not practical or not required, just modify whatever you want. And you don't need to go very deep into this because VidiCom figures it out all by itself. Click on proceed, and next you can choose how long a video you want to make. Now typically for a listing, I would recommend a video from 1 minute to 5 minutes. In this particular example, let's do a minute long video. You can choose the aspect ratio too. If you want to use the video as a social video, you want to put it on TikTok or you want to put it on Instagram for marketing, you can make a 9:16 vertical or a square video for Instagram, or you can do a 16:9. You also get to choose the AIs you want to use. And at Technique Force, we always believe in multiple AIs. So we're giving you many options. You can use GPT for text, or you can use Claude and Gemini or Grok. For images, you can use Google, Flux, GPT, or Dream. So once you're ready, click on proceed. And now you can choose the voice that you want to do the voiceover, the narration in. We've got a number of ready-made voices for you from OpenAI. So you can do a preview.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill now.
If you want to put in any special instructions, you can. If you want to change the language, you can do that too. Or you can even bring your custom voice. So I created a voice earlier called Mark.
AI is the biggest revolution in the history of mankind.
So you can create voices over here. I will just go back in and after I finish the first video and show you how to create custom voices. For this, let's choose Ash and click on proceed. Next, it's time to choose a background score. So take a look here. You can click on a ready-made collection that we have. Choose the music. I think this one is fine. But here also we've done some fun new stuff, like you can generate tracks with AI. So here's a button, generate new track, and you can generate tracks with AI. We've got one track over here ready made. Let's listen to this one. So this is created by AI earlier, but for this particular example, let's just stick to this one. Okay, this is pretty neat. You can also upload your own music if you want to. Once you're ready, click on proceed, and now your video is being analyzed and creatives are being created. I'm talking about the initial visuals, the parts of the video. So let's come back in a couple of minutes and continue from there. All right, the first thing you get here is a little script that will be used as narration on the video. So you can read it very quickly. Meet the Ebony Mini Zurich diaper bag. So it's all about the product, about the benefits and all. And if you want to accept it, if you want to change it, you can. If you want to use it as is, that's perfectly fine. Click on proceed, and then you can set up captions. So the captions are the titles that will display on the video, the text, and you've got some options about how you want them to look. I think I really am partial to this style, so I will just take that one, but you've got other options too, and you can also change the font, the size, everything. Click on proceed, and now the images are being created. The storyboard is being made. And check it out, your visuals are created. Now notice this, VidiCom really did a great effort of humanizing the entire product. What we got was a bag, but the video that we're going to create has an amazing presentation. You see that you've got all sorts of human elements. There's a baby, there is a bag. Of course, this picture wasn't there in the original. You can see now we are showing the waterproof features, baby conveniences, and the travel ready features, and the storage convenience, then the comfort in carriage, the easy access, the 12 pockets, all the storage boxes that it has. And this is something that not even a top visualizer can do in a very little time. And the amount of time that VidiCom took to get here, all this work is amazing. Now, you can go ahead, click proceed, and make a very nice slideshow style video, or you can even animate individual clips if you want to. For example, let's say I wanted to animate this clip. All I need to do is click on animate, and if I want to create a prompt that decides how I want to animate it, I can put that in. show this in action. For example, you can write whatever you want and then click on animate. Now this can take a little while. Till then you can review the rest of the stuff. You can see the narration. This is the narration that will play along with each slide. If you want to rewrite it, you can. And if you want to put some sort of specific effect in the slide. So I just picked a random image of a girl from the internet, and I've got the bag image from my product listing uploaded here, and I put in some random instructions. You can do better if you want to. And once you're ready, click on generate UGC avatar video. Again, you can choose the length of the video. I'm keeping 4 seconds. Now let's wait a few minutes, a few seconds when it's generated, and we'll add it. The video is generated. Check it out.
You guys, seriously, this is my favorite bag. Look at it, it's perfect for everything.
Now, this is a great UGC video. The AI even kept in mind that this is an Indian girl, and they matched the accent perfectly. The bag is absolutely realistic in her hands, and you can just click on add slide.
You guys, seriously.
And here we have the UGC video as a part of the video. Now, I think we are ready for generation. So just click on proceed and let it happen. It's processing and preparing the video clips for the generation for the rendering. And there we go. The video is ready and we can play it by clicking on
Meet
play.
the Ebony Mini Zurich diaper bag. Compact, stylish, and ready for adventure with your little one. From park strolls to weekend getaways. Lightweight mini backpack design with smart diaper bag features. Crafted for comfort, speed, and everyday durability. And water-resistant materials for messes.
You guys, seriously, this is my favorite bag. Look at it, it's perfect for everything.
Great looking product video done in minutes. Let's go back to the dashboard. I've got a couple more that I want to show you. Take a look at this one.
Removable, moisture-wicking liner and cheek pads fight sweat.
This is
and
for a
odors,
helmet.
while the secure double D-ring closure locks confidence in. Meet the tactical off-road helmet, built for riders who push harder, climb higher, and demand pro-grade protection without the price. Get
All done from just a few images. Take a look at this one.
free US shipping and returns included. Mail it back, then get your digital results in 4 to 6 weeks. Beautifully organized on any device online. Easily see at-risk, carrier, and clear results with condition callouts.
No need to know editing, no need to know copywriting, no need to know graphic design.
Part of the
VidiCom
Vimly
just
modular
does
series.
everything for
Add
you for
sections,
any product
move-
category, for any product. Now, remember I was telling you about some extra features, voices and music. Well, you can create the voiceovers in your own voice or any voice you want. Just click on create new voice and you can give it a name like John, and you can describe how John should sound, like a grumpy 90-year-old veteran, for example. Or you can make exactly the voice profile that you want, or you can clone your own voice, upload a small sample just a few seconds long, and VidiCom can make the narrations in the voice that you specify your own voice to. So that is in voices. Now in music, you can create AI music. So click on generate music and you can give it a track like my background track. This way you can create copyright free music. Never worry about copyright strikes again or issues again, because you can make exactly the music you want, like cinematic and pop. And we will keep only instrumentals because we want a background track, but you can make songs if you want to, and you can make a song about your product. Click on generate tracks. All right, the track is ready. Perfect product music. So that's how easy it is to create custom resources, custom voices, custom music, and create a truly world-class product video without hiring an editor, without hiring a copywriter or a graphic designer, and getting it done in minutes from your computer. If you get VidiCom, I'll see you on the inside.